what inspired you to join real estate?
I never planned to join real estate.
So do you think that money is everything?
पैसा है तो सब कुछ है. Your relatives, your friends, your family.
To today's generation, what is that one message that you would like to give to them?
Current situation बहुत different है Gen Z's की mental health.
Yeah.
So I heard this recently in next 2-3 years.
So would you like to give me some example on time management?
There is a short story.
Where do we see Sajan maybe 10 years from now?
Look, I haven't ever planned my life.
Who are more punctual?
If I talk about females, they are more aggressive nowadays.
You know, at times we feel very pressurized in our brain, in our heart. So ever you felt that way?
क्या आज लोग कहते हैं हम demotivate हो गए, we are demotivated. When you come from such a family background, when you know the hardships of life, do anyone has that power to demotivate you?
So ever wondered why is networking your net worth? तो networking क्या होता है और कैसे होता है?
So I'll tell you a short story about networking. Like I didn't even realize that networking works so well. So it was in 2016 when I was staying in Hayat Vastrapur in Ahmedabad. I went for some business meeting over there. So during the morning breakfast, I started talking to a lady. She was a Japanese lady. Her name was Ju, and it is a very long story. I'll cut it into a short story. But what happened is we were on a breakfast. I was searching for some Gujarati food, and she was also trying to have that khaman dokla. And when I served myself, she asked me that what is that? What is this? Then I explained her about the food and the cuisine, and she started talking to me. She was an HSBC compliance officer. And later on, she told me about her job profile and everything. And she was in Ahmedabad for somewhat 7-8 days because they were setting up there some plant in a Dholera. It's a green city, smart city by the government of Gujarat. So they were setting up some plant, and she came for some compliances and things over there. So what happened is when I was talking to her, she started telling me about her organization, about the company, about the things, and I also started talking about the real estate and things. I told her many things. Now the conversation ended over here, and the things went all. Now we were not in touch, and after say 12-15 days, she commented on my status when she was in Japan. So I went to New York, and so she was like, you are having a great time and a great vacation, something. We started a conversation from there. And now in 2017, I happened to go Hong Kong, and she was in Hong Kong that time, and she was placed in Hong Kong, and she told me that I told her that I'm coming to Hong Kong. Then she was like, okay, then I'll come and meet you. Then we started the conversation, and we had an event in Hong Kong in 2017 regarding a property, and it was some luxury properties over there. Now she told me I'll introduce you few people from Hong Kong because she was staying over there. Now she came, and she was like the person who came with her was an Indian person, Pradeep Kumar, and he was Indian, and she told about my story, and that Pradeep was from UP, and now he was from UP, the girl was from Japan, and I was from Gujarat, right? And there was no connection between all of us. And earlier I met Ju on a breakfast table, and then she made me met Pradeep, and Pradeep later on booked almost a 3 to 4 crore deal through me. And just because of the very small conversation what we had, I got into the deal. And later on, when I started my office in Hong Kong for around 1.5 year, I later on realized that Pradeep introduced me so many people. Like there were Indians also, there were Chinese people also, and they introduced just with the contact of Ju. Though the lady is still in touch with me, and still we are very good friends, and we talk. But I think that this type of conversation, a very small conversation on a breakfast table, made me bring so much business into my say kitty. And I always guide people that networking is not planned. कभी भी plan नहीं कर सकते हम that we want to network with this person and
Right.
we will get some business out of it. It is not like that. So 90% of the people won't give you business. So how does it matter? It doesn't matter, but that's okay. But sometimes out of nowhere the business could come, the things could come, you could be helpful to them. It is, I think networking is when you create value for someone else. Like when you create value for someone else, they will create value for you in future.
Right.
But you cannot expect that they will create value for you. So this is what I think networking is.
That was a very lovely and beautiful example of networking. And I would also say a beautiful example of national integration.
Right.
That it's not just that, in our country only we are helping each other, but across the globe, we all as a community are coming with each other and helping each other. So tell me that what inspired you to join real estate? I'm very excited to know about that.
Look, Pratishta, I'll tell you, I never planned to join real estate, but I was like, I studied in Dehradun, and 2009, 2010, in December 2010, I walked into the company name Investors Clinic. So it was just a general walk-in, and I walked in over there, and at that time, I was like, I used to get a pocket money of 2,000, 2,500 rupees from my family, maximum 5,000 rupees a month. I have to bring like spend my entire month in that money.
Right.
So when I gave the interview, I told my family that I'm going into some sales job and some real estate. They were not excited at all. They said me come to Gujarat and work over here, get some good job. There is a very big industrial area in Surat, so you can get a good job over here, some back office job or whatever. You come over here and you work over here. So I wanted to do something different. So I went there. They told me that when the moment I finished the interview, they kept a condition for me that आपको bike लेके आना है. Without bike, you cannot start working over here because that is mandatory. So I was like, I didn't had money. Like I didn't had 5,000 rupees a month I used to get, and that for whole month I have to spend in that month. So in that money. So I had a word with some of my friends. I got some amount from my one of my friend. Uh, and after getting that amount, I bought a second hand bike. It was still, I remember the bike was 18,000 rupees second hand bike. It was a Passion Plus bike, and I started my career from there. But I never looked back after that, and that was something wherein my parents totally refused that हम तुम्हें एक रुपया भी नहीं देंगे कोई चीज़ खरीदने के लिए. You have completed your MBA. Now if you want to work, you don't want to work, we are not going to give you any money. So you have to do it yourself. So that I think my father or my parents did right thing, because if that time they would have helped me for with some money or something, I wouldn't have been on this place
Right.
at this moment of.
एब्सोल्युटली। बट ये जो मेंटालिटी होती है हमारे पेरेंट्स की, ये हमने तो पढ़ा लिखा दिया, बस हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उधर खत्म हो गया।
Right.
राइट, सो यू एवर फेल्ट दैट अरे ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं, और व्हाई एट टाइम्स वी फील वेरी प्रेशराइज्ड इन आवर ब्रेन, इन आवर
Right.
हार्ट, सो
Right.
एवर यू फेल्ट दैट वे?
Look, I'll tell you, Pratishta, I am from a lower middle class family. I used to be. I never have been from some like a rich family, so never thought of it. So because my parents earlier, when I was into this, I was into my school also. I used to go walking. I didn't had anything. I didn't had say any bike, or my friends used to come with cars and bikes in my school, because the school I have studied from, it's one of the renowned school in the town. So I used to feel blessed that at least I'm studying in this school. So because the circle wherein I belong to and my friends, and so they were like all rich fellows, like 80% of the people were rich fellows, 85% of the people. So I never felt this thing. But yes, when I needed money and I realized that I have to make money, then मैंने अपने parents से कभी मतलब मिलने ही नहीं थे पैसे, तो मांगने की तो बात ही नहीं आती. So I knew that I'm not going to get.
राइट।
So if I would have asked from them also, they would have like, I would have get a big rapid. So then that is a fixed amount which I used to get in school times. I don't think so किसी को मिलते भी थे पैसे इतने. 100 rupees, 200 rupees was the maximum budget of parents for the month what I used to get. That too I have to give हिसाब of that 100 rupees also. तो वो हिसाब भी देना पड़ता था. But मैंने अपना खुद कमाना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. I realized at a very early age that
राइट।
काम करना is very important. So I believe in when I was in ninth standard, eighth or ninth standard, I started working with A to Z store, A to Z store, A to Z store, that 99 rupees wala store.
49.99
Yes,
kind of
yes,
thing,
yes,
right, right, right.
49.99. And I started working with that store, and I used to do everything in the store. But I was recruited saying that you have to sell the products over there. But I used to clean the toys also. I used to go early in the morning, open the shutter also, because I used to reach very early before the stores open, before other employees used to come. One day what happened is my owner gave me 40,000 rupees cash, and he told me that you have to deliver it to Billimora. Billimora is a place very near to Valsad,
Valsad,
so
right.
which is my
Yes.
hometown. So I have to give it to Billimora, and I said, "Why are you giving me that? It's like I just joined and it's 3 months." So I said, He said, "I know that you will deliver it. He has to give it to someone." So I put it. I kept the money in my bag. I went through train. ट्रेन से फिर वहाँ उतर के बस में जाके फिर वहाँ जाके उनको उनका नया A to Z स्टोर बन रहा था, तो वहाँ किसी को पैसे देने थे, तो मैंने उनको पैसे दे दिए. So it was long back. And now when I came, he gave me 2,000 rupees that this is your inam. I said,
Wow.
wow, that was the first tip I got in my life. And that was a 2,000 rupees tip is big tip. Like that, the 2,000 rupees is a big amount.
Absolutely.
And my salary was in 3,500. So that was in super incentive. That was 50% of my salary almost. So I was very happy. I went very happily to my home. And I told that I got 2,000 rupees. My parents were like, okay. They were like not interested in what I was doing. They were like, "तू जो कर रहा है कर, हमें तो पैसे देता नहीं है, तो you spend it yourself." And I never used to
सही
give
बात
money. So this is how I realized the value of money, that
है. Right.
पैसा कमाना बहुत important है. And from my early age, from that point of time, I never stopped working. I just kept working. After that, also, I worked in a cyber cafe. I worked as an LIC agent. I worked in Infosys, in a BPO, in a call center. A lot. I never stopped working after that because पैसे का taste जब लग गया था, so it was like this
बहुत
is how.
स्ट्रॉन्ग कलर होता है
Yes,
पैसे का,
strong color.
उतरता नहीं है.
Yes.
सो हम लोग ना बहुत पहले से कहावत सुनते आ रहे हैं कि क्या पैसा सब कुछ है या नहीं. So I want to understand from you, do you think that money is everything, or there are other things also in life which is like, I don't know, maybe peace or finding love or maybe just taking out time for your friends? क्योंकि जब भी आप पूरा पैसा कमाने में लग जाते हो तो आप कहीं ना कहीं बाकी सब चीज़ों पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर ही रहे हो. So what do you think? Is money everything?
Look, this question is a very common question people ask me because I'm the only person wherever I have worked. So I like working 7 days. So अब लोग सुनेंगे तो बोलेंगे personal life को time नहीं देता. But I say I have few examples. बोलते हैं ना, हम जब छोटे होते हैं हमारे माइंड में कुछ चीज़ें आ जाती है, and when that things come into your mind, you never that
Want to
things
let it
never
go.
go out of your mind.
Right,
So
right.
that is the pillar which builds you. आप जब छोटे होते हैं तो your parents can either spoil you or either you can grow. So what happened is, like when I was very young, I was in 6th 7th standard. I think my father lost the job that time for say 6 months or 1 year, and we were not in good condition to pay the school fees or whatever. So things were happening, and I was very young. मतलब मैं learning phase में था उस time पे. So when they used to ask money from someone, the people those were very sweet to us. So very very sweet, like उनसे अच्छा कोई है ही नहीं. Like ऐसा लगता था कि ये relatives है और उनसे अच्छे कोई है ही नहीं. Those relatives stop talking to us. The moment they ask money, they stop talking to us due to some other reason. अब फोन तो था नहीं उस टाइम पे, सो वर्चुअल मतलब मीटिंग्स होती थी, उनको जाके मिलते थे या बात करते थे. सो दे स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग एंड थिंग्स. So at a very tender age, I came to know that money is very important. And when I started growing, I came to know that पैसा है तो सब कुछ है. Your relatives, your friends, your family, even friends. Why I'm saying, I'll tell you, because if you are earning money, the friends will be, I'm not saying that friends will only be because of money, but yes, 90% of the time your friends are also with you for money.
True.
आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, अगर वो आपसे आज पैसा मांगता है, ठीक है, और आप मना कर दो उसे, आई एम श्योर ही इज नॉट, द फ्रेंडशिप इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द सेम.
टूट गई दोस्ती उससे.
हाँ, वो खत्म हो गई
खत्म हो
दोस्ती.
गया.
So the friendship is not going to be the same. So money is important. Money is the only thing which can bring peace also. You can give happiness also. You can go on world tour, vacation, spend time, quality time with the family. There is a difference. Spending time and spending quality time. So if you want to spend quality time with your family, then money is needed. Obviously, yes. So just sitting and talking and wasting your time is, I don't think so, that is anyways needed. So मुझे तो लगता है पैसा सबसे ज़्यादा important है.
Until 25 years of my age, I was thinking that money is not everything. बट द मोमेंट आई क्रॉस 25 नाउ आई फील कि भाई पैसा सब कुछ होता है.
Right.
आज तुम्हारे पास पैसा नहीं है तो तुम क्या ही खरीद लोगे, क्या
Right.
कर लोगे, 10 रुपए का
Right.
चीज भी नहीं खरीद पाओगे.
Right.
सो मनी टू हाई एक्सटेंट आई फील इट्स एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल आई थिंक एक 1% स्कोप है कुछ और चीजों का भी, टू हैव योर ओन
I don't think so.
peace or something.
No.
Yeah, fine.
I don't think so.
That's okay, but yeah, money is a major thing. That's very
Money
true.
is the only major thing, I think.
And I remember that when you were studying in college,
Hmm.
तो यूजुअली एक कॉलेज बच्चे का लाइफ कैसा होता है कि सुबह उठे, नाश्ता किया, खाया पिया, हम कॉलेज गए
Right.
और फिर वापस आए, आते टाइम वो पफ खाएंगे, मैगी खाएंगे एंड घूमेंगे, पानी पूरी खाएंगे, वो तो बहुत शौक रहता है सबको खाने का,
Yes.
और वापस हम कॉलेज से हॉस्टल आ जाएंगे.
Right.
बट आई थिंक इन योर केस इट वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट सिनेरियो.
Yes. Yes.
एक नॉर्मल चीज़ तो नहीं थी जो तुम करते थे. एज़ फार एज़ आई नो तुम अपना सुबह उठते थे, कॉलेज अटेंड करते थे
Right.
2-2:30 बजे तक
Right.
in Vidyanagar, and then you used to go to Vadodara, which is like 45
Yes.
50 minutes via
1
train,
hour. Yes.
almost an hour.
Yes.
Then you used to go there and फिर तुम्हारा लॉगिन शाम को 6 बजे होता था
Yes. Yes.
एंड रात को 3 बजे तक का शिफ्ट रहता था. फिर
Yes.
वापस वहाँ से ट्रेन लेके यू हैव टू कम बैक टू विद्यानगर, यू हैव टू स्लीप अगेन, यू हैव टू गेट अप, यू हैव टू स्टिल स्टार्ट योर डे.
Yes.
सो वो स्ट्रगल्स तो हमको हमारे खुद के ही दिखाई देते, किसी और को दिखाई नहीं देंगे.
Right.
सो व्हाट इज दैट फैक्टर जिसने तुमको इतना इग्नाइट किया कि नहीं अब तो करना ही है, हमको कुछ ना कुछ करना है. आई मीन नींद कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया, दोस्ती यारी कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स यू कॉम्प्रोमाइज एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो my question to you is, to today's generation, what is that one message that you would like to give to them?
Look, I'll tell you what I feel. I have a team of more than 150 people working with me. There are a lot of people, those who we keep on recruiting, going into the colleges, recruiting people, bringing them on board. But there is one thing which I think which made me motivated to work. Like उस time पे when I used to come from like जब मैं college में था, I had many friends. As I told you, there were a lot of people, those were very rich. So they used to still boast for their, like they used to have their cars in Vidyanagar also. They used to have their bikes, birthday gifts, and they used to have their shopping on every weekend. Saturday, Sunday, they used to go for shopping. So what my Saturday, Sunday looked like, I'll tell you. So when I used to be in Vidyanagar, and I used to go Baroda, which is 1 hour journey from Vidyanagar. I used to go when I used to wake up in the mornings, like I used to go college. 2 बजे college खत्म हो जाता था, 2-2:30 बजे. So I used to immediately have my lunch. I used to take an auto or take auto to the station. I used to go station, मतलब जैसे ही मैं वडोदरा पहुंचा, I used to reach at 4:30, 5 o'clock वडोदरा पहुंच जाता था. Now my login time, I used to work in Alkapuri. The organization's name was N-Circle. So it was a US staffing organization. So I used to work there. So मैं जाता था, अपना login करता था, and I used to start calling. My name was Brian over there. So that was a code name which we had. So when I used to take calls, and वो 6-7 बजे हमारी job start होती थी, which was till early morning 4:30, 5 o'clock. It was into US timings, US UK shift. So then अब जब पूरी रात आप जागे हो तो you also need to sleep.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Mind को rest चाहिए.
Yes, and only thing I used to be motivated, it was like we used to get dinner, unlimited dinner over there, and unlimited tea and dinner in that organization. So that was, at that age, I was very happy getting dinner, that वहाँ खाना बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा. So then 4:30 in the early morning we used to get. Now my train was like 6 बजे ट्रेन चलती थी. 6 बजे से पहले कोई ट्रेन नहीं थी आनंद की. 5 बजे 6 बजे ट्रेन थी. आई यूज टू गो अगेन 4 बजे. 2 ट्रेन चेंज करनी पड़ती थी बीच में से. अगर आपको डायरेक्ट ट्रेन में नहीं जाना तो मिल जाती थी ट्रेन. सो टू सेव दैट हाफ एन आवर 40 मिनट्स, आई यूज टू टेक 2 ट्रेन्स, and then I used to change the train and go to Vidyanagar. So I used to reach somewhere around 6 o'clock, 6:30 at my hostel.
Morning 6:30 after
6:30.
completing the
Now
shift.
college would start at 9:30. So I used to go and sleep immediately. जो नींद जितनी भी आती थी वो sleep. I used to sleep. I used to again reach the college on time. Again, now my Saturday, Sundays, everyone used to go shopping and I had to sleep. Now, the moment Saturday used to come, I used to sleep till afternoon. Again, I used to do work, and I had an insurance, Tata AIG insurance license I had. So I had scheduled that I need to meet people. So on Saturday, Sunday, I used to meet people also. Again, I cannot waste my Saturday, Sunday entire day in sleeping. So that also I had business things in mind. So I again used to do all those things also. But yes, every single time or every single moment, I always wanted that I should earn money in any other ways. So my parents, I used to take money from my parents also. I never used to tell them that
You are
I'm
earning extra.
yes, yes. In college time,
वैसे कोई नहीं बताता.
हाँ, तो I was mom even told me that तू तो काम करता है तो पैसे तो मिलते होंगे. I said yes, मिलते हैं, but इतना नहीं मिलता. I never used to tell about the incentive. Yes, talking about the incentive also, I was into a trainee job first 2 months or 3 months. But in that trainee job also, I used to get incentive because I still remember the name of my TL. His name was Arthur or something, and he was a Sindhi guy. And I used to get incentives. People used to just started learning the calling कैसे करना है क्या करना है. But I just wanted that क्या करना है जिससे पैसा मिलेगा ये बताओ. He said that contract लाना है अपने Canon से या Cisco से. You just need to get a staffing contract of 20 employees, 30 employees. And I just had one. In 3 months, I got 7 contracts for the company, which a team head also was not even able to get. So my focus was clear. पैसा कहाँ से मिलेगा? Just tell me, and I wanted to do that. So this is what I used to do since day one. So